Get ready to experience the future of three-wheeled power and precision with the all-new Yamaha Tri City 300, where innovation meets adrenaline. Welcome to the future of riding. Hey bikers! Welcome back to Biker's Choice, your ultimate destination for all things motorcycles and beyond. Today we've got something truly groundbreaking for you. Yamaha has just launched its latest game changer, the Yamaha Tri City 300 three-wheeler. If you thought the world of three-wheelers was just about basic stability and comfort, think again. The Tri City 300 is here to redefine what a three-wheeler can do. Let's dive into all the exciting features and innovations this machine brings to the table. The birth of Yamaha Tri City 300. For years, Yamaha has been leading the way in innovation, and the Tri City 300 is no exception. First launched in the early 2010s as a part of Yamaha's MP3 three-wheeler range, the Tri City 300 has evolved into a cutting-edge scooter that offers the stability of three wheels combined with the power of a 300cc engine. This 2025 model is poised to take that legacy to the next level. With an all-new design and advanced features, the Tri City 300 is the perfect balance of safety, performance, and comfort. It's built for riders who want the thrill of two wheels, but with added security and stability. Design and aesthetics. One of the first things you'll notice about the Yamaha Tri City 300 is its striking and futuristic design. This scooter features a sleek, angular body that's not only visually appealing, but functional too. The aggressive front styling with sharp lines and dynamic contours provides both aerodynamics and a distinct look on the road. Yamaha has also ensured the bike has a compact footprint, making it ideal for city commuting, while still offering ample space and comfort for the rider. Innovative leaning technology. What truly sets the Tri City 300 apart from other three-wheelers is its innovative leaning mechanism. Thanks to Yamaha's exclusive LFI, leaning front wheel independent technology, the Tri City 300 offers enhanced cornering and improved stability at higher speeds. This allows the bike to lean into turns just like a two-wheeler, offering a more natural, intuitive riding experience. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or taking on open highways, this advanced leaning system makes the ride smoother and more responsive. Power and performance. Under the hood, the Yamaha Tri City 300 is powered by a robust 300cc liquid-cooled engine. This power plant is engineered to deliver excellent acceleration, impressive top speeds, in the reliability Yamaha is known for. The engine is paired with a CVT transmission, ensuring seamless and effortless gear shifts. Whether you're cruising at a steady pace or zipping through traffic, the Tri City 300 promises a performance-oriented ride that doesn't compromise on efficiency. The bike also comes with improved suspension and braking systems to ensure a smooth and safe journey in all conditions. Safety features. For riders new to the world of three-wheelers, safety is a top concern. Yamaha has gone all out to make sure the Tri City 300 offers top-notch stability and control. Equipped with advanced traction control and an anti-lock braking system, ABS, this three-wheeler offers peace of mind in both wet and dry conditions. The unique three-wheel setup provides exceptional balance, making it easier for riders to navigate sharp turns, rough roads, and even uneven surfaces. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting, you'll feel confident and secure on the Tri City 300. Tech and connectivity. In line with modern biking trends, Yamaha has equipped the Tri City 300 with cutting-edge tech features. From the fully digital instrument panel to the smartphone connectivity options, this three-wheeler ensures you're always in touch with the ride. The digital display shows everything from speed and fuel levels to navigation and incoming calls, while Yamaha's exclusive app allows riders to customize ride settings, track bike performance, and even plan maintenance schedules. Pricing and availability. The Yamaha Tri City 300 is set to hit dealerships in 2025. And while exact pricing has yet to be confirmed, expect it to fall in the premium three-wheeler range. Given Yamaha's history of offering great value for money, the Tri City 300 will likely be priced competitively to offer riders a performance-packed ride without breaking the bank. So keep your eyes on your local Yamaha dealership and get ready to ride into the future. Conclusion. The Yamaha Tri City 300 is a revolution in the three-wheeler segment. It combines the stability and safety of three wheels with the thrill and performance of a 300cc engine, all wrapped in a futuristic design. Whether you're an experienced rider looking for something new or someone seeking an exciting and secure way to navigate city streets, the Tri City 300 is the bike to watch in 2025. That's it for today's review of the Yamaha Tri City 300. If you're as excited about this ride as we are, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Biker's Choice for more amazing reviews. And hey, let us know in the comments, would you take this three-wheeler for a spin? Until next time, keep your wheels rolling and your engines roaring.